welcome to my channel. I'm Jennita. I hope you like this makeup tutorial that I prepared for you today. If you want to recreate it, please keep on watching. I'm gonna start using this primer from Urban Decay. It's the Optical Illusion. Then I'm gonna use this green concealer from Lancome Paris and using this foundation from Huda Beauty that I love because it's full coverage. After that, I love using these two concealers. This is from Wet n Wild and Maybelline and the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm gonna mix these two this time. The Tarte Shape Tape Concealer with the Maybelline, the Instant Age Rewind. Then I'm gonna use this translucent powder from RCMA. I will be using a tips that I learned from Jacqueline Hill's tutorial. I'm gonna bronze my face and prime my eye with the Wet n Wild. This is the e.l.f. that is optional. I will set in all this primer because I love setting, and I'm gonna use these two palettes that are very similar, the Anastasia Beverly Hills and the other one is from Profusion. I'll be using that color, which is golden ochre, as my transition shade, and the Profusion is called Likeable. Then I'm gonna take this color called Tempera. I will put it on my lid. After that, I'm gonna take burnt orange and rose sienna, and I'm gonna place that color just in the corner of my eye. I'm not gonna go farther than this place. And I'm gonna take these two colors from the Profusion, which are Outgoing and Fearless. I'll be taking the white color to clean all my brow bone area. Then with my eyebrow pencil, I will be liner my eye, but just in a half. And taking this dark brown color from Profusion, I will be smudging that eyeliner that I created. You can use a black pencil to make a dimension in your eye. And after that, I'm using the same color that I used first, the same color, burnt orange, rose sienna, and I'm gonna use this mascara from Loreal, which is the Lash Paradise. I'm gonna use this blush from e.l.f. that I love. The next step is optional, so if you wanna use this primavera color as a highlight, you can use it. After that, I'm gonna use this setting spray from Urban Decay, which is All Nighter, and I'm gonna use this lipstick from NYX that I love. And this is the final result. I hope you like this makeup tutorial that I did for you. It's not makeup so simple to go to everywhere. I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel, al estilo de Jennita, and see you next time. Bye.